Think about your day. Did you jot down a note, read a book, or perhaps grab a tissue? Chances are you interacted with paper in some form. It's so ubiquitous, we often take it for granted. From the ancient Egyptians using papyrus to today's high-speed printing presses, paper has been instrumental in shaping our world. It's the silent witness to our stories, the canvas for our creativity, and the messenger of countless ideas. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the journey of paper, from towering trees to the page you hold? Paper's story is one of ingenuity and transformation, a testament to human creativity and our ability to harness nature's resources. Specifically, trees like pine, spruce, and fir, prized for their long fibers that give paper its strength and flexibility. Join us as we delve into the fascinating process of turning trees into the indispensable paper we rely on every day. Not all trees are created equal when it comes to papermaking. Softwood trees, like the towering pines and spruces of northern forests, are the preferred choice. Their long, strong fibers intertwine to create a durable paper sheet, perfect for writing, printing, and packaging. These trees, often grown in carefully managed forests, are harvested with a focus on sustainability, ensuring that for every tree felled, new ones are planted. Once selected, the trees are felled and transported to the paper mill, often located near rivers for easy transportation and access to water, a crucial component in papermaking. The journey from forest to mill marks the beginning of the transformation, where these giants of nature are prepped for their new purpose. The scene is a testament to the scale of the operation, a symphony of man and machine working in concert to keep the paper flowing. At the mill, the logs undergo their first major transformation. Giant machines, resembling oversized peelers, strip away the bark, revealing the pale, smooth wood beneath. The debarked logs are then fed into chipping machines, their once imposing forms reduced to a torrent of wood chips. These chips, now resembling a fragrant woody confetti, are the building blocks of paper. They are carefully screened and cleaned, removing any remaining bark or debris, ensuring a uniform and high-quality raw material. The transformation from towering tree to a mountain of wood chips is complete, marking the first step in paper's journey from forest to factory. Section 4. Pulp Fiction, Breaking Down the Giants. The wood chips, now cleansed and sorted, are ready for the next stage, pulping. This is where the true magic of papermaking happens, where wood is broken down into its basic components. There are two primary methods: mechanical pulping and chemical pulping, each with its own advantages and resulting in different types of paper.
Mechanical pulping, as the name suggests, uses brute force. Grinding stones pulverize the wood chips, separating the fibers and creating a slurry of wood pulp.
Chemical pulping, on the other hand, employs chemicals to dissolve the lignin, liberating the cellulose fibers. The choice of pulping method depends on the desired qualities of the final paper product.
Section 5. From slurry to sheet, the birth of paper. The pulp, now a watery soup of cellulose fibers, embarks on its final transformation. It's fed into a massive machine aptly named the Fourdrinier machine, a marvel of engineering that continuously churns out paper.
The pulp is sprayed onto a moving wire mesh screen, where water begins to drain away, leaving behind a thin, interwoven mat of fibers. As the web of fibers travels along the machine, it passes through a series of rollers that press out more water, compacting the fibers and increasing the paper's strength.
Section 6. Paper's finishing touches, ready for the spotlight. Emerging from the Fourdrinier machine, the paper sheet, still damp, is far from finished. It journeys through a labyrinth of heated rollers, where it's gently dried and pressed, achieving its final smoothness and thickness.
Depending on its intended use, the paper may undergo further treatments. Coatings can be applied to enhance printability or provide a glossy finish. Finally, the once formless pulp has transformed into a continuous roll of pristine paper, ready to be cut, packaged, and shipped to its final destination.
Touch that subscribe button. Section 7. The enduring legacy of paper, a call to action. From the humble notebook to the pages of our history books, paper is woven into the fabric of our lives. It's a testament to our creativity, a platform for our ideas, and a witness to our stories. But this ubiquitous material comes at a cost. The journey from tree to paper requires significant resources, energy, and yes, trees.
Recycling paper is not just an environmentally responsible choice, it's a vital step in ensuring the sustainability of this invaluable resource. By giving paper a second life, we reduce the need to harvest new trees, conserve energy and water, and minimize waste.
So the next time you hold a sheet of paper, remember the incredible journey it has taken, and let it serve as a reminder of our shared responsibility to protect our planet and its resources. Please like and share and make a comment.